time?
7:39
AM?
Yeah.
Whoa, what are we doing up this early?
We're on the bus to Nidri, for Nidri. And yeah. We
Why?
have the boat cruise at 9
Yeah.
AM. Cass is being a drama queen as always.
I'm not being a drama queen, I just don't like the mornings.
And yeah.
Also, did you have breakfast?
I did. Had milk and biscuits.
Oh.
I had a coffee.
You had a coffee?
I might. I had milk.
Okay.
But yeah, long day ahead.
Always.
But a day of fun.
Day of fun. You brought the snorkel.
Fun and
Did
exciting.
you use it, by the way?
Yeah.
Did it fit?
I used it.
Did it fit around here, or was it tight on you as well?
Alright.
You look so much more tanned than me. My bracelets. Matchy matchy.
Love the colours.
And yours, yeah.
I like yours as well.
Go on the boat. I think we're the first ones on it. It's very swanky. I like how there's carpet, because all the boats I've been on before there's not carpet.
All aboard.
Aye aye, Captain. So nice.
While going now into the Muslim Bottomless City, you come back later, the Bottomless City takes photos. And now going. Πρέπει να βγείτε στην πρώτη μπροστά για να βγείτε έτσι στην παραλία. Λέγεται έρεμα.
Oh, is it recording?
What?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Here we are. Where are we?
I don't really know actually.
Is it Porto Cacique?
Yeah, maybe.
Really blue waters.
Yeah. This is our boat. I'm gonna wet myself. Tom's walking like that because that sand isn't really very, well, it is soft, but it's like broken up bits of this, look. On my feet, you can see it. And then when you go from walking on that to the stones, it's really painful, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is beach number 2. I think this one we have to jump off, don't we, Tom?
Do we?
Yeah. Are you going to dive?
Yeah. You? L'hai mangiato?
Sì.
Bravo.
Dive though.
Like a mermaid.
We are just docking in Kefalonia. Guys, look at all the fish. There's a big one. I don't know if you can see him.
It's just so clear.
There. It's huge. I want to snorkel. Do you think we can? Do you think we can snorkel, Tom?
In here?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Could try. Could ask.
1 hour in Kefalonia. Ooh, look at these. They are so cute.
Smile.
What do you think they are?
I don't know. Oh, it says it there.
Oh yeah. Should we have a look on the way back?
Mm-hmm.
Do we need to swim, Tom?
I don't mind. Look how nice to be there.
Yeah. We're gonna do it, aren't we?
What?
We're gonna travel. What we're gonna do is travel and work in whatever, hospitality or something, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna live in places like this.
Mm-hmm. Let's do it.
Oh look, it's a it's a Roman cemetery. It was discovered in 1993 and dates back to the first Christian era, to 2nd to 4th AD. Dun, dun, dun. I don't usually go for lemon, anything, but apart from Fanta lemon.
Oranges and lemons. Say the bells of St. Clement's.
But I need something refreshing. Guys, look at how cool this little street is. Love these. They look like decorations, don't they? They look like tissue paper. They're so cool. Profumo, no? No.
Can't smell.
Wow, Tom, look how blue it is. Beautiful. Now we are at Second Beach. I can't remember what it's called, but I'll put the location on the screen. Or maybe I can remember what it's called. I'll show you on the map. We are now here. This is Kefalonia and this is a small island, Ithaca, I think it's called. This is a cave. Hope you can hear me. This is a cave called Meganisi. Wow. Run, run, run. Tie, tie, tie.
What a dynamic duo.
Bravo. Fatto bene, eh? Fatto bene.